past, my experience was wonderful. It was a tough fight with Maharashtra's and other states. And I pray to God that in other nationals we will surely get a gold for Goa. Thank you.
I was the state head coach, accompanied the team. We were 16 members, and it was a proud moment for us to announce that we got 1 silver medal and 2 bronze medal, and plus we got a team championship, and we stood a third at All India level Yogasana Championship organized by National Yogasana Federation. And from out of 14 members, 2 members we have selected for Khelo India, and we're very proud moment for a Goa state.
That we got silver in the group competition, and Neeral got bronze in single Yogasana. So I'm very proud of my team and my children.
योगासना स्पोर्ट्स असोसिएशन ऑफ गोवा हेचो हांव जनरल सेक्रेटरी आसा आनी गोंयची टीम भुवनेश्वर हांगासर नॅशनल योगा चॅम्पियनशीप जाली तेतून विनर जावन आयिल्ली आसा आनी फर्स्ट टायम गोंयान इतल्या प्रमाणान मेडल्स जी आसात ती योगासनान मेळयल्ली आसात. सो आय एम प्राउड ऑफ माय प्लेयर्स and proud of my coaches as well as of parents, those who have taken hardship to achieve this great success. So first time गोंयान एक सिल्वर मेडल आणि 2 ब्रॉन्झ मेडल मेळिल्ली आसात आणि मोठ्या प्रमाणान सबंद ऑल ओवर इंडिया सगळे जे स्टेट्स पार्टिसिपेट जाले तेतून थर्ड नॅशनल लेवलाचेर रँक जो आसा तो आमच्या गोंयान मेळयल्लो आसा अँड इट्स अ ग्रेट अचिवमेंट फॉर गोवा. एंड गोंयान योगासनान आपलें नांव जें आसा तें वयर पावयल्लें आसा आनी दीस क्रेडीट गोज टू ऑल दीस प्लेयर्स एंड ऑल दीस चिल्ड्रन्स. सो आय एक्सपेक्ट एवरी गोवन टू कॉंग्रेच्युलेट अवर प्लेयर्स ऑफ योगासना.